Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or insert a new page on Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if you want to create a new page, you can just hit the Enter key on your keyboard and then just create another page by going down to the bottom of the previous page, and that should create a new one. You can also go ahead and create page break. So you just click wherever you want to create a new page break. Just click in a blank area on your document. Select the Insert tab, and then you want to select Break. Select Page Break, and then there you go. You should have a new page that should appear with the cursor right next to it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.